I would like to present the inimicable duo of James Parten and Charles Chuckles Gardner. Okay, mount the stage by any means possible. All right, here we go.
Thank you.
Are you set, boys?
I believe so.
Can you hear me?
All right. Okay. B flat, Tom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I never fell for William Tell.
I never liked that complicated music.
No, not for mine.
Well, grand opera stuff is all a bluff.
Give me that good old syncopated music. I think it's fine.
Super fine. What's that tune the band is playing now, honey?
Now, honey, listen to the people keeping time. What's that tune the band is playing now, honey?
Now, honey, music with a reason and a rhyme. It's American ragtime with a raggy ring.
It's American ragtime with a patriotic swing.
I've heard that Merry Widow and the Candy Kiddo.
But give me the zam, zam, zam.
That pleases Uncle Sam.
You're crazy.
Yes, I am, for American ragtime is the only tune we'll do.
The American ragtime, what thrills me through and through.
So take all your great opera scores
And back to the tall with them all for yours. I want the American ragtime. Ragtime music's livelier and looser.
It's full of fire.
The waltz from Faust I always roast.
Give me a Yankee march by Mr. Sousa
or Arthur Pryor. What's that tune the band is playing now, honey?
Now, honey, listen, ain't that music simply grand? What's that tune the band is playing now, honey?
Now, honey, everybody's singing with the band. It's American ragtime with a raggy ring. It's American ragtime with a patriotic swing. I've heard the Merry Widow and the Candy Kiddo, but give me the zam, zam, zam. That pleases Uncle Sam. I'm crazy, yes I am, for American ragtime is the only tune we'll do. The American ragtime, what thrills me through and through. So take all your great opera stores and back to the tall with them all for yours. I want the American ragtime.
Thank you. Thank you, James and Chuckles.